When the frost bites the snow and Christmas comes around.
Yes guys, and welcome back to LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar, guys, and today we are on day number 5. And last episode, guys, we did in fact get one of these. It's a sort of like a cannon in a way, first sort of cannon. So let's get opening number 5. There we go, guys. It is basically Poe Dameron's X-Wing, and that is a pretty awesome build. It's probably the most complicated build in an advent calendar series I've ever seen, but it's so nice. Like, look at that, that just looks amazing. And there are a few hiccups as I kind of missed. I kind of did the grey bits here wrong, but other than that, it's all good, and it does look so cool. I can't imagine any. I've been collecting advent calendars like ones for 5-6 years now. I can't imagine anything as good as this. That is properly amazing. So guys, that's today's build. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.